Hey everyone. I just wanted to say a few words as I'm just planning to go on a kayaking trip, on a sea kayaking trip to the Channel Islands in over next to Los Angeles area. So I won't be on the channel for like the next week. So I'll just leave you off with a few pictures of my last trips there. It's just an amazing place, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to do some really nice camping or a little bit of sea kayaking. And I'll probably come back with some footage and a new clip for that. So take it easy, be safe, and I'll be in touch when I get back. Bye bye. See ya.
All right.